Hi guys, this is Katja with Creative Image Studio. I decided to use one of my AliExpress paper pads by a brand called Paper Designer or Ino Greeting. And I decided to make a simple yet elegant multi-layered card. I used all kinds of layers and I punched out some butterflies. I inked the back sides of these butterflies, for it was a single-sided paper. And I didn't want the back of the wings to be white. I also used some dimensional tape to lift up the center parts. It's a nice paper, nice enough. It has some nice elements that I could use, some punch-out elements. Here I die-cut my own tag and again punched out a butterfly, also one of the punch-out elements underneath the butterfly, and a scrap mat as a base, so two different pieces of scraps minutely tucked together. And look at the nice foiling there on the decorative element from the collection. Also, again, the back of the butterfly, of course, inked in a different color this time. And I always find it a nice effect to raise the little wings. And on the back, again, a scrap mat, so 6 different pieces of scraps that I pieced together and then cut to size. And I have a free video tutorial on that if you want to know how I do that. So yeah, this was my card, just a simple idea. I hope to have inspired you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.